Good morning everyone. My name is Alexis Aguilar at Gian Barreto ang magre-report sa Lesson 3, Boyle's Law.
What is Boyle's law? Boyle's law is a gas law which states that the pressure exerted by a gas of a given mass kept at a constant temperature is inversely proportional to the volume occupied by it. In other words, the pressure and volume of gas are inversely proportional to each other as long as the temperature and the quantity of gas are kept constant. Example, Boyle's law. The pressure of a gas increases as its volume decreases, assuming constant mass and temperature. Pulling up increase volume and decrease pressure. Pushing down decreases volume and increases pressure.
Equation: P1 V1 equals P2 V2, P1 equals first pressure, P2 second pressure, V1 is first volume, V2 equals second volume, where V is volume, P is pressure, T is temperature, and N amount of gas. Since volume and pressure of the gas can be varied, let P1 be the initial pressure and the volume, respectively, according to Boyle's law. V1 P1 equals K, V2 P2 equals K, then V1 P1 equals V2 P2. Problem: the inflated balloon that is slipped from the hand of Ren has a volume of 0.50 L at sea level, 1.0 atm, and it reached a height of approximately 8 km, where the atmospheric pressure is approximately 0.33 atm, assuming that the temperature is constant. Compute for the final volume of the balloon. Ngayon, kung ang initial condition ng problem ay V1 equals 0.50 L or liter at P1 equals 1.0 atm or atmosphere, at ang hinahanap natin ay V2 at P2 equals 0.33 atm. Paano nga ba isolve yan? Ngayon, ang gagawin natin ay 0.50 liter parentheses tapos 1.0 atm or atmosphere and 0.33 atm. Ngayon, i-divide natin sa 0.33 atm. Pagkatapos, ika-cancel natin ang 0.33 atm dahil pareho sila ng number. At ang gagawin natin, 0.50 times 1.0 divide 0.33 atm is equals to 1.5. Tapos ika-cancel natin ang atm, kaya ang matitira yung L, kaya yan ilalagay natin is L, liter, at yan ang sagot sa B2. Another example, a gas occupies 1.56 L at 1.00 atm. What will be the volume of this gas if the pressure become 3.00 atm? Ang V1 natin is 1.56 liter at ang P1 natin is 1.00 atm, at ang hinahanap natin is volume ng 2, kaya ang P natin is 3.00 atm, kaya 1.56 liter parentheses 1.00 atm parentheses and 3.00 atm. I-divide natin sa 3.00 atm. Tapos, gagawin natin, i-cancel natin ang 3.00 atm. Kaya ang matitira is 1.56 times 1.00 divided by 3.00 is equals 0.52 at ikakancel natin ang 80 and dahil pareho sila at ilalagay natin ang L or letters at yan na ang sagot.